Hi there, well this week we're doing an advanced tutorial, but as I always say, if it's something that you really fancy having a go at least do the techniques first before you have a go, but do have a go. We're doing a beautiful bottle here with, well, I say beautiful, it's a simple little bottle, but it's a beautiful thing, with a single anemone, and it's all about dramatic light and how you use the photograph to your own advantage. Now we've done a very simple finish for the background. It's entirely up to you whether you do the background or not. It's a little bit of an experimental one, but it's something that I wanted just to do, just to show you that there are different ways of finishing a study if you didn't want to do the whole singing and dancing background. I've enjoyed this project immensely, and there's so many pretty colours in these dark shaded petals around the front. I think you'll be amazed at how many colours we've put in there. And also the bottle is really interesting to do as well. So give it a go and see how you get on.